Hi, my name is Shelby, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to talk to entrepreneurs and beginners who want to learn how to make money online in an online business without the overwhelm or the confusion. So today I want to talk to you about how to actually get the product and sell the product, okay, in 15 minutes or less. That's my goal. So this is the part I think everybody gets confused with is what do I do? I hear people talking about digital marketing, but I just don't understand how do you do the products? So I'm here to talk to you all about that today. So let's get into it. Now, I have a community that I'm in. It's a MRR community. It's called Master Resale Rights. And that is what you use to learn all about digital marketing from A to Z. And they supply products that you can make your own and resell it over and over again at 100% profit. That's why this is such a good space to be in because you get to promote products and get 100% of the profit for a lifetime. And especially when you change it to your own, that's your product. So that's why I love it. So let's get into it. It's called Royal Business Academy. This is what you are going to use to learn and to earn. So you'll start off with the open house where they will teach you everything you need to know inside of this community. Then you have the homeroom, which chooses which path you want to take with RBA. You have your business mindset, which is very important because if you don't have the right mindset, you're going to have a hard time in any business that you do. They have a study hall where you can get the live training and the calls and the recordings. My favorite, Roybot. This is your chat GPT, but it is designed to work for you inside of this academy. It has been programmed so that it'll help you, give you the right wording, the right things that you need to say when you're promoting your product. Then you have your business registration, and this is going to help you set your business up with your LLC, your corporations, whatever you want to do with your business, and the continuation business organizations. These are all going together in the laws, the compliance. Business credit and funding. This is going to show you how to do your personal credit and how to do your business credit. Then you have customer service. It's going to teach you how to master strategies to enhance your customer service satisfaction and loyalty for your customers. You have your business contracts. There's going to be templates in there, letters in there to help you get those contracts with different businesses that they'll tell you inside. Then you have your business marketing. It's going to teach you all the things you need to know as far as marketing strategies, platforms, and resources. Then you have your government contracts. It's going to teach you step by step the guides and resources to successfully get you started with those government contracts. And now you have some private courses in here also that you can have access to. Um, you have a business course. This right here is where you have 65 business startup courses. These courses right here are things that you probably never even thought about. You probably like, wow, I didn't even know this was something that I can even start. You have your mobile food truck startup course, independent trucking company, assisted living facility, medical spa business, Airbnb hosting business, nail salon business, child daycare center, real estate wholesaling, beauty cosmetic business, mobile gas station, vending machines, virtual call centers, brunch restaurants, drop shipping stores. The list goes on and on. Laundromats, medical scrubs business, mobile notary, mobile DNA testing. The list goes on. Sports bar lounge. You name it, you can probably find a business in here. Okay? And they're always adding on more. So this right here is a game changer. Okay? They'll teach you all about how to start up those businesses. My next one that I like is too far down. The digital products. These are our private label right products, right? There's a whole list of them. You have your PLR bundles, reels, planners. You have your nonprofit kit, your medical courier blueprint. These are all ebooks. Group home startups. You have your tax agency business, your drop shipping, your IV hydration, hair business cheat sheet. You have your diagnostic lab business. The businesses go on and on and on. You see how many businesses there are? Nursing school planners, pharmacy tech career guide, travel reel bundles. You have a whole bunch of aesthetic stock photos that you can use when you're doing faceless content, Canva guides. The list goes on and on and on, and you are able to retake any of these things and make them your own and resell them over and over again. This is your business. You're going to create your own business by what you like. Everything's not for everybody. So I love the fact that you have all these opportunities to choose from. This is amazing to me. They also teach you how to do faceless marketing, social media marketing, lead magnet, tools, and hooks. And once you come in here and learn about digital marketing, all of these things are tools that are going to help you get your business off and running. In the automations, the email marketing. This is big right here. This is part of your automations. Okay, so you got your email marketing, you have your lead magnet tools, your landing pages. Remember, I had a video about that. I had a video about all the automations here. Social media marketing. It'll break down all the different platforms and what you need to do on each one because they're all different. They all have their different strategies, SEO keywords, and all of that. Then you have your Etsy business. If you're interested in Etsy, you can do that. You can do your learn how to do Etsy there. Amazon business, you're interested in Amazon, I'll teach you all about it. Explore 10 different ways that you can monetize your business. Did you know it was that many ways on Amazon? You have a trucking business. I have a trucking business. That's why I got into this business because trucking is kind of getting a little different. It's not like it used to be. But there's different kind of trucking businesses, right? I have the tractor trailer, but medical courier is very big right now, and that's in this module. Personal finance. This doesn't just teach you about business, it teaches you how to do your personal finances too. Real estate business, if you're interested in getting some real estate, this is perfect module for you. And affiliate marketing, and I've talked about affiliate marketing also, where you promote somebody else's product and make money. Okay, you get a commission. So I want to go back up here to the PLR products, and if I go overtime, I will make a part two. Okay, because I really want to show you how this works. I'm looking for the PLR um module, digital products. Here we go. And I want to just show you quickly how this works. Okay, we're going to go into the planner bundle. Okay, and this is what it looks like when you go in. Everything is done in Canva. Any PLR product that you get is most likely going to be in Canva. And once you get into Canva, that's where you will design your products. And so in this right here, this is the main page, right? This is your thank you page. Thank you for your purchase. So once somebody purchases your product, you're going to take them to a page like this if you like. There's different ways you can do this. And this will take you to the actual individual planners. Okay. So you got the blog post planners, your baby book template planner, your reading planner, weight loss planner. And I want to go to weight loss planner. We got autism, full year social planner, but I want to go to the weight loss planner because I already kind of started working on one, so I can give you an idea how this works. Okay, so you'll go into Canva, this will pop up and it'll say view template, and once you view the template, it's going to open up inside of Canva. Okay, so this is how it looked, right? This is how easy it is to change this up. You just highlight the words, and then you just go over here to the fonts. They're going to pop up over here, and you can choose whatever fonts you like, and it'll change it. You can change it to whatever you like. Okay, you can take out stuff. I can delete this if I don't want it. I can delete this. I don't want it, or I can duplicate it, make two of them. Okay, delete that. I can change this color, purple. I can change it to pink. I can change it to blue. So I can do all kind of changes. Um, Now, for the sake of time, I already changed one for you, so I'm going to undo all of these, right? So you can see where we came from, right? This is how it looked when we first came in, right? Now, I'm going to show you what I did. I changed it to this, right? This looks totally different from this. So this is me creating my own cover. So this doesn't look anything like what I'd already got. So what I did was I went to designs, okay? And then I put in designs, and then I typed in weight loss. And when I typed in weight loss, you get all of these templates to your left here. See these templates? So this is what I chose. I chose the template right. Which one was it? Let me see. Which one was it? Um, I'm surprised it didn't just pop right up. Where is it? Um, oh, here we go. Right here. I picked this. Oop. Replace add as a new page so you can see the difference. So I added that template, right? Because you got to do the same thing with this. See how this template looked like this? Well, I changed it to look like this because I didn't want it to look like this. We have to make it look different. This is how you make it your own. So I just took this and I right clicked and I said detach image. I got to move my head, I guess. Got to detach image. And once you detach the image, oops, and it retached. Okay, let's undo that. Okay, detach. Okay, so this is the picture right here. I'm going to delete this picture. Now I'm going to go over here to elements. And when I go to elements, I'm going to put in exercise. And then I'm going to pick a picture and I'm going to pick it, I'm going to slide it and it's going to pop right back into that frame. Oop, went into the wrong frame. Okay, let's undo that. Undo. Okay. You got to be careful. So you got to pop. There we go. See how that popped in there? Okay. So that's what you do. I changed the font. I changed the wording. I changed the color in the background. Another thing I like about this is if you take the color and you want to change it across the board, let's say I want to change this to this blue. Okay. Um, let's not. Let's say I want to change. Wait a minute. You know, when you do stuff on, okay, let me say I want to change the color to this blue, right? Okay, maybe not. All righty, let's not do that. Okay, so anyway, here is the rest of the journal. You see the journal is already made for you. All you have to do is, this is what I was trying to do right here. Let's see. You see how this is pink right here? Let's make it a real dark color so you can see the difference. I'm gonna try this blue again. You see down here it says check all. I'm gonna press check all and look how it changes all the colors. It should have changed it throughout the whole, yep, it changed it throughout the whole document. So you see how quick and easy it is to change it up to make it your own. I'm gonna change it back. So see, it goes back. And look at all the went back to the same colors. So this is how easy it is to put together a digital product. And I love this. I love it. So if you have your own digital products that you maybe have some ideas, let's say that you're a health and wellness coach and you have meal plans, you can make a meal plan a digital product, and that product you can put in your storefront and you can sell that product over and over again. And because of the low amount of time that I have left, I can't go into how to actually put it into your storefront, but I will be doing my next video on that. So it'll be a part two, show you how you can put those products that we just created into your storefront so that you can make an income right away. Okay, so if you like this video and if it was helpful, please share, like, and comment and let me know. And let me know if you have any other questions about how to do any of the things that we talked about, or if questions about things that you just have a question about that I may be able to answer. I do have a training to teach you all about digital marketing. It's a mini e-course that you can get and you can learn all of the details about how to actually do everything step by step. And you can find that in the description. When my time is up, I have to go. Love you. Bye.